Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are going to be talking about Summer's Eve Tropical Rain Freshening Spray. If you guys don't know what Summer's Eve is, it is a great women's brand for feminine hygiene. They make different products, cleansing cloths and body washes for intimate areas and things like that. And I really like it. I've been using their products for quite some time now. So if you guys would like some more information on Summer's Eve Tropical Rain Freshening Spray 5-in-1, please just be sure to check my video description for that. So it has 5-in-1 things about it. So it neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, won't disrupt your natural pH, it's talc-free, and it's clinically tested safe scents. And this is a 2.0 container. So I'm going to just go onto the back and show you guys. It says Summer's Eve, 5 ways to fresh. Facts, armpits aren't the only area of a woman's body that sweats. So we created Summer's Eve Freshening Spray, perfect for whenever you need a boost of freshness. Only Summer's Eve gives you 5 fresh benefits in one light, but effective spray. Even better, gynecologists give it the green light for everyday use. So I wouldn't say that I use this every single day, but definitely like on hot days or on days I know I'm going to be going to the beach or the pool after the gym. It's so awesome for that. It makes you feel fresh. It's light. The scent is wonderful, and it's so easy to use. Okay, so directions: use daily or as a quick refresher. Shake well and remove the cap. Hold can at least 8 inches away and spray external vaginal area. For extra protection, spray panties and feminine liners for extra protection and just extra freshness. And then repeat as needed to feel shower fresh all day long. And then the ingredients are listed here. And then I'm going to just take the cap off and show you guys. This is what it looks like. It kind of just looks like a mini like deodorant can. It's not very big, but a little bit goes a long way. And it's like a pretty kind of like girly looking container. And like I said, great women's product. Summer's Eve has been around a really long time. And I really, really like this Tropical Rain scent because it's not too much and it's not too little. Like it's a light scent, but it's also really nice and smells pretty and floral, and I just really, really like it. The container is great for travel, so I actually brought this size to go on a vacation with me, and I was so happy that I had it because, you know, you're not always by the shower, and sometimes you just want to feel refreshed. It's also nice when it's like during your menstrual cycle to have something to make you feel a little fresh as well. And then of course talc-free, because they do say talc is like the bad ingredient that was in powder that was causing cancer and stuff like that. So I think that's why it's very important that it is talc-free. So this could fit in your gym bag, in your backpack, in your purse as well. And like I said, a little bit of it goes a long way. You just need to spray a little bit. I've never had any kinds of irritation from it or anything, and I just feel more confident and clean throughout the day when I use this. So I definitely recommend it for all women. If you want it like a nice little refresher and something that just fits easily in your purse, you could just use it for your everyday routine or just on hot days or whenever you just feel like you need a little extra deodorant in, you know, your intimate area. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video on Summer's Eve Tropical Rain Refreshing Spray. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave me a like or a comment. Thanks guys, and I hope you all have an awesome, awesome day.